Yeah, we got a throwback here today. We got a 325i BMW 1989. We end up installing the Clifford 3105. You know, he wanted the door locks to work, so why not get the alarm installed as well? So if you hit lock, it locks your doors. If you hit unlock, it unlocks your doors. Hold the panic button down, you can fire the alarm off. Yeah, we used to do these cars back in we started the business in 1987, but back in 1989, this was a real popular car. This and the Mercedes 190E, 300ZX, the IROC Z Camaro, Trans Am, all those throwback cars that were in the 80s, you know, way before Acura was involved, and Lexus and Infiniti and Kia. None of those existed. It was pretty much BMW, Mercedes, Chevy, Ford, Toyota, Honda, Saab, and a couple more. I can't think of a couple more, but that was it. There weren't too many cars out on the road. The chances are that you come to a stoplight, and you will run into 3 cars just like yours right out of a stoplight. But yeah, to unlock it, you're gonna hit unlock, and locks your doors. Okay. Shock sensor, if anybody bangs on the windows, it will fire off the alarm. It does the start a kill, it prevents the car from starting. Give them the antenna right at the top with the LED light. It's gonna flash the car at night on nice and blue. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the window. The alarm fires off. Somebody opens the door, the alarm will trigger. It does the start a kill. I'm gonna go ahead and arm it. Now try to start it so you can see that the car won't start. See, the car's dead. I turn off the alarm, and then I can start the car with no problem. Yep, this is what a car back in the 80s looked like. Real nice, very simple, get to the point. Motor sounds real tight and everything. Pretty nice. Yeah, this car, they even offered it back then. It was convertible. And it was really nice to own, and they were a lot of fun to drive too. This alarm was installed here in Fort Lauderdale by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video. And yes, we do have free mobile service.